Hi, hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. Today we will share you the list of scientific instruments and their uses. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for latest video updates. And let's start with today's topic. The first instrument is altimeter. This instrument is used to measure altitude, which is used in aircrafts. Ammeter. This instrument measures strength of electric current. Anemometer. This instrument measures force and velocity of wind and its direction. Audiometer. This instrument measures intensity of sound. Barograph. This instrument continuously records atmospheric pressure. Barometer. This instrument measures atmospheric pressure. Please remember there is a difference between barograph and barometer. Binoculars. This instrument is used to view distant objects. Bolometer. This instrument is used to measure heat radiation. Calipers. This instrument is used to measure inner and outer diameter of bodies. Calorimeter. This instrument is used to measure quantities of heat. Carburetor. This instrument is used for charging air with petrol vapors in internal combustion engines. Cardiogram. In short form, it is called as ECG. This instrument is used to measure traces movements of heart recorded on cardiograph. Cathetometer. This instrument determines height, measurements of levels in scientific experiments. Chronometer. This instrument determines longitude of vessels at sea. Cinematograph. This instrument is used for projecting pictures on screens. Colorimeter. This instrument is used to compare intensity of colors. Commutator. This instrument is used to reverse the direction of electric current and also used to convert AC to DC current. Crescograph. This instrument is used for measuring growth in plants. Cryometer. This instrument is a type of thermometer used to measure very low temperature, usually close to 0 degrees. This is opposite to thermometer, which measures heat. In cryometer, it measures low temperatures. Cyclotron, a charged particle accelerator which can accelerate charged particles to high energy. Dilatometer, the instrument measures change in volume of substance. Dynamo, the instrument which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Dynamometer, this instrument measures electrical power. Electroencephalon. This instrument measures and records electrical activity of brain. Electrometer. This instrument measures very small but potential difference in electric currents. Electron microscope. This instrument is used to obtain a magnifying view of very small objects. Electron scope. This instrument is used to detect presence of electric charge. Endoscope. This instrument is used to examine internal parts of body. Fathometer. This instrument is used to measure depth of ocean. Fluxmeter. This instrument is used to measure magnetic flux. Galvanometer. The instrument measures electric current. Gramophone. The instrument which is used to reproduce recorded sounds. Hydrometer. The instrument measures relative density of liquid. Hydrophone. This instrument measures sound under water. Hygrometer. This instrument measures level of humidity. Hygroscope. This instrument shows the change in atmospheric humidity. Please remember, hygrometer and hygroscope is two different instruments. One measures the level of humidity and another one shows the changes in atmospheric humidity. Hypsometer, the instrument which is used to determine boiling point of liquid. Kymograph graphically records physiological movements. Lactometer, this instrument is used to measure the relative density of milk. There is a difference between lactometer and hydrometer. The hydrometer measures relative density in liquids and lactometer measures in relative density of milk. Mach meter, it determines the speed of aircraft in terms of speed of sound. Magnetometer, it is used to compare magnetic moments of magnets and its fields. Manometer, the instrument measures the pressure of gases. Micrometer, the instrument which measures distance and angles. Microphone, the instrument which converts sound waves into electrical vibrations. Microscope, the instrument which is used to obtain a magnified view of small objects. Nephelometer, the instrument which measures the scattering of lights by particles suspended in liquid. Odometer, an instrument attached to wheel of vehicle to measure the distance travelled, usually seen in bikes, cars and other automobiles. Ohm meter, instrument used to measure electrical resistance in ohms. Ondometer, the instrument which measures the frequency of electromagnetic waves, especially in radio frequency band. Optometer, the instrument which is used for testing the refractive power of eye. Otoscope, the instrument which is used for visual examination of eardrums. Periscope, the instrument which is used to view objects above sea level, usually used in submarines. Phonograph, used for reproducing sound. Photometer, the instrument which compares the luminous intensity of source of light. Polygraph, instrument that simultaneously records change in physiological process such as heartbeat, blood pressure, respiration, and used also as lie detector. Phycnometer, the instrument which determines the density and coefficient of expansion of liquids. Pyrheliometer measures direct beam solar irradiance. How it works? Sunlight enters the instrument through a window and it is directed onto thermopile, which converts heat to electrical signals. Pyrometer measures very high temperatures. Quadrant, the instrument which measures altitude and angles in navigation and astronomy. Radar, it is used to detect the direction and ranges of approaching aeroplanes by means of radio waves. It is also used in warfare, missiles, ships. Radio micrometer measures heat radiation. Rain gauge, the instrument which measures rainfall. Refractometer, the instrument which measures refractive indices. Selenometer, the instrument which is used to determine the salinity of solution. Sextant, it is used by navigators to find the latitude of place by measuring the elevation above the horizon of sun or another star. Also used to measure the height of every distant objects. Seismograph, the instrument which is used for recording the intensity and origin of earthquake shocks. Spectrometer, spectrometer equipped with calibrated scale to measure the position of spectral lines, which measures the refractive indices. Spectroscope, the instrument which is used to observe or record spectra. Speedometer, an instrument used for measuring speed of vehicle. Spirometer, the instrument which measures curvature of spherical objects. Spigamomanometer measures blood pressure. Spigometer measures pulse beat. Stereoscope, the instrument which is used to view two-dimensional pictures. Stethoscope, it is used by doctors to hear and analyze heart and lung sounds. Stroboscope, the instrument which is used to view rapidly moving objects. Tachyometer, a theodolite adapted to measure elevations and bearings during survey. Tachometer, it is used to determine speed, especially the rotational speed of shaft, used in aeroplanes and motorboats. Tangent galvanometer, the instrument which measures the strength of direct current. Telemeter, the instrument which records physical happening at distant places. Telescope, the instrument which is used to view distant objects in space. Thermometer, the instrument which measures temperature. Thermostat, it regulates temperature at particular point. Tonometer, the instrument to measure the pitch of a sound. Transformer, an apparatus used for converting high voltage to low voltage and vice versa without changing its frequency. Transponder, it is used to receive a signal and transmit a reply immediately. Odometer, it is a rain gauge. Ultrasonoscope, an instrument which uses ultrasonic sound and used as echogram to detect brain tumors, heart defects and abnormal growths. Vermeer, the instrument which measures small subdivision of scale. Venturimeter, the instrument to measure the rate of flow of liquids. Vernier, measuring more precisely than could be done unaided when reading a uniform divided straight or circular measurement scale. Viscometer, the instrument used to measure the viscosity of a fluid. Voltmeter, instrument used for measuring electric potential difference between 2 points in electric circuit. Wattmeter, instrument for measuring the electric active power in watts of any given circuit. Wavemeter, simple electronic instrument used to measure frequency of radio waves. Dosimeter, device that measures dose uptake of external ionization radiation. Eudiometer, the laboratory device that measures the change in volume of gas mixtures following a physical or chemical change. These are the list of scientific instruments and their uses. Please do subscribe to our channel and thank you.